Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We are absolutely thrilled to have you join us today. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders specializes in crafting exceptional luxury residences and transforming outdoor spaces throughout Southern California with a deep-rooted passion for the unparalleled beauty and distinct challenges of the Pacific Palisades. We're based in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and our unwavering commitment is to share our expertise, empowering you to create a home that transcends mere structure, becoming a true sanctuary that blends luxury with safety and resilience. Today we're diving into the deep end, literally. We're exploring the art and science of designing and building custom pools in the Pacific Palisades, not just as luxurious retreats for relaxation and recreation, but also as vital water reserves for fire suppression, a concept that has become increasingly relevant in our fire-prone region. We'll uncover how to seamlessly integrate these dual-purpose pools into your property, maximizing their aesthetic appeal, enhancing your outdoor living experience, and providing a critical line of defense against the devastating threat of wildfires. In this extended and comprehensive video, we'll provide a detailed roadmap for adding a custom pool to your Pacific Palisades property, covering every aspect from initial planning and design to navigating the complex permitting process, mastering the challenges of hillside construction, selecting durable and fire-resistant materials, and integrating smart home technology for enhanced safety and efficiency. We'll explore the various types of pools, innovative design concepts, and the specific regulations and requirements that apply to pool construction in the city of Los Angeles. And most importantly, we'll emphasize the critical role that your pool can play in providing a readily available water source for fire suppression, showcasing real-world examples and offering practical tips for maximizing its dual-purpose functionality. Whether you're envisioning a stunning infinity pool overlooking the ocean or a naturalistic oasis nestled into your hillside landscape, this video will empower you to create a backyard paradise that is both luxurious and fire-smart. Before we make a splash, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of exclusive content, including behind-the-scenes project tours, interviews with leading pool designers and fire safety experts, and early access to our latest insights on luxury construction and resilient building practices in Southern California. Your support fuels our passion and enables us to continue sharing our expertise with homeowners and builders alike. Why is adding a custom pool such a desirable addition to a Pacific Palisades property? And why is it so crucial to consider its dual role as a fire suppression resource? It's because a well-designed pool not only enhances your lifestyle, but also provides a readily available source of water for firefighters in the event of a wildfire, potentially saving your home and your neighbors' properties from destruction. It's about transforming a luxury amenity into a strategic asset for community safety. Here's a closer look at the multifaceted benefits of adding a custom pool to your Pacific Palisades property. Enhanced luxury and recreation. A custom pool provides a private oasis for relaxation, exercise, and entertaining, elevating your lifestyle and adding to the value of your home. Breathtaking aesthetics. A well-designed pool can enhance the beauty of your property, creating a focal point that seamlessly blends with the natural landscape and maximizes ocean views. Increased property value. A custom pool is a desirable amenity that can significantly increase the value of your home. Fire suppression water reserve. A pool can serve as a readily available source of water for firefighters in the event of a wildfire, potentially saving your home from destruction. Community benefit. By making your pool available as a water source, you are contributing to the safety and well-being of your entire community. The key to creating a successful dual-purpose pool is meticulous planning that considers both luxury and fire safety. Assemble your expert team. Just as with building a home, assembling a team with the right expertise is a must. Pool designers, a landscape designer and engineer to ensure the plans are beautiful and safe. Structural engineer, an expert on foundation and hillside construction. Fire safety consultant knows the wildfire risk. Envision your dream, align the pool with your home's design. Consider lifestyle, determine if this will be mostly for fun, exercise and for entertainment. This needs to be communicated. The beauty must match the function. Location analysis. Understand the land and location before you plan. This includes the zoning rules of the space. Understand where you may or may not build. Understand geotechnical assessments. The path to construction requires proper permits. You must follow these steps. Consult the city. The Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety will provide a list of what you need. Ensure every standard is met. HOA approval. Most neighborhoods are a part of a homeowners association. It is important to get your project approved by them before starting anything. Submitting plans, prepare every document. This will help the approval process go smoothly and much quicker. Make sure to implement fire safety and to make sure it is up to code. Communicate. If questions or concerns ever arise, respond professionally and accurately. Safety and structural integrity are a must to building the best luxury home for you and your family. Land grading. Have a company you trust, level the ground and provide safety because the land can shift. Creating a strong base. Lay the foundation according to guidelines that the engineers have presented. It is important to have qualified staff for the job. Materials list. Using the best materials not only enhances the aesthetics, but provides a stable platform. By building smart and having steps, you increase your chances. Have perimeter sprinklers to keep the fire down in the area. Design with the fire season in mind, so materials are durable. Create areas where firefighters can get easy access to the reserve water. Have smart alerts to warn if fires are nearby. With the vision that the homeowner has, make that into a reality. Beautiful plants that are drought-resistant and fire-wise are not only visually appealing, but also serve a crucial purpose. Amenities that are user-friendly and easily accessible to your needs are also important. It makes the space more personal to you. Creating these pools are not only visually appealing, but it protects the homeowners from the devastation of fires. Contact us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. It all helps us make more amazing content for you from Oceanfront Builders.